knobs. How to do it right. Well, the knobs of the brown tape deck, the T1, look kind of yucky, so I figured I'll give the ultrasonic bath a try and see if that cleans the knobs well. Before I try to take the dirt off with a cloth, but as they have this structure so that you can turn them nicely, and the dirt and the grease, whatever what it was sitting in there, I could not get it out with just a cloth. So what I did is I heated up some tap water to about, I think it was like 40 or 50 degrees, and then I added some amaloco as usual, and also I put in about 10% of isopropyhlalcohol for it to loosen the grease. So if that worked, we're gonna find out now. So I set the machine to about 10 minutes, and don't mistaken the ultrasonic bath as something really fancy. It actually is just a regular 6-liter ultrasonic tub that I built this neat little housing for it to fit my LP3 ultrasonic cleaning device, where I usually clean my records with. So if you want to check that out, there is a video on the cleaning results up here. Other than that, I like to use the ultrasonic bath not only for cleaning the knobs of various hi-fi devices, also I put my glasses in it and it makes them brand new. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, consider giving me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.